We will talk about nouns. Let's get started. What are nouns? Nouns are names. Nouns are names. Nouns are names of people, animals, places, or things. Here are examples of nouns. Nouns are names of people. Boy. Boy is a noun. It is the name of a person. Farmer. Farmer is a noun. It's a name of a person. Woman. Woman is a noun. It is a name of a person. Nurse. Nurse is a noun. It is a name of a person. Doctor. Doctor is a noun. It's a name of a person too. Nouns are names of animals. Duck is a noun. It is a name of an animal. Dog is a noun. It's a name of an animal. Cat is a noun. It's a name of an animal. Turkey is a noun. It's a name of an animal. Sheep is a noun. It's a name of an animal too. Nouns are names of places. City is a noun. City is the name of a place. Farm is a noun. Farm is a name of place. Park is a noun. Park is a name of a place. Playground is a noun. It is the name of a place. House is a noun. House is the name of a place. Nouns are names of things. Bicycle is a noun. It is the name of a thing. Hat is a noun. It is the name of a thing. Leaf. Leaf is a noun. It is the name of a thing. Pumpkin is a noun. It is the name of a thing. Flower. Flower is a noun. It is the name of a thing. Are these nouns or not? Man. Is man a noun or not? Man is a noun. Man is a name of a person. Cow. Is cow a noun or not? Cow is a noun. Cow is the name of an animal. Hop. Is hop a noun or not? Hop is not a noun. It is not a name of a person, an animal, a place, or a thing. Book. Is book a noun or not? Book is a noun. Book is the name of a thing. Hospital. Is hospital a noun or not? Hospital is a noun. Hospital is the name of a place. Girl. Is girl a noun or not? Girl is a noun. Girl is the name of a person. Crawl. Is crawl a noun or not? Crawl is not a noun. It is not a name of a person, an animal, a place, or a thing. Shop. Is shop a noun or not? Shop is a noun. Shop is the name of a place. Box. Is box a noun or not? Box is a noun. Box is the name of a thing. Can you find the nouns? The spoon is big. The spoon is big. Spoon is a noun. Spoon is the name of a thing. My father is happy. My father is happy. Father is a noun. Father is the name of a person. The cub is tired. The cub is tired. Cub is a noun. Cub is the name of an animal. We will eat at the restaurant. We will eat at the restaurant. Restaurant is a noun. Restaurant is the name of a place. Mom bought many carrots. Mom bought many carrots. Mom is a noun. Mom is a name of a person. Carrots is a noun. Carrots are names of things, particularly vegetables. You did a wonderful job.